Hi guys and welcome back. So tonight's episode is, I think, gonna be a little bit shorter, but I do want to check up on all of my guys and see if they earn some money. Yes indeed. So we're a lane. Which one's good at perception, right? No. At least I think so. But you know, I think I might in fact send you to maybe. Yes indeed. Cause that way I can earn more money and earn money because I'll send more out guys to the wasteland because I have stim packs and they can survive even more up to there. So now let's rush the rooms once again. Oh, you know what? I can actually cancel some of the objectives now, but you know what? I'm already close to finishing some of them. So yeah. Hi guys and welcome back. So what were we doing? Okay, so we have a new baby, Carl. Nice name. Let's collect these and see what we can do. Oh, like these guys grow. Do you want? Okay, let's send you there and sure, let's collect you. I was going to say let's collect you, but alright. Don't have enough caps. Oh, okay. I can build something new. Playthrough, nice, nice indeed. So, guys, go to somewhere. Don't willy-nilly. You're good at perception, so go there. You know. You have some charisma, and well, you know what? Get these and these, and in the meantime, I can maybe sell some stuff. Yes, indeed. So, Rusty BB gun going away. No, I don't want to BB guns as much as I need them. By some medic as well. Oh, by the way, I think if I rush the voted last one, it is done. Isn't it? Okay then, there we go. So let's collect these. I'll come back. And you know what? I'll give you something better. Work here maybe? No, I don't know. For now, what's real rare you are, and it's better. Let's see me. be a perception. Somewhere armored also. Yeah. Let's destroy that rock and build a storage room. Okay. There we go. Nice. Bedrooms and ching. See what our guys are up to. What the? So, tuned alien blaster. Alright, nice. What the hell is that? Fucking rusty missile launcher. They just earned their caps. As a flame burnmaster. Okay. Alright, so what the is going on? Hardened railgun. Okay. I'm kinda afraid right now. I don't know what's going on. 3 dogs outfit. 3 dogs outfit. No way! I'm so finding a black guy and giving him that outfit. Do we even have black guys in here? Do we? Do we have black chicks? I just have to go find a black guy and make him the 3 dog. Oh yeah. I can't believe this. How the hell did that happen? Come back. What? I need you. What the hell is that? I've never seen that in any of the war games I've played. T-45 at Taliban. Okay. Okay, so armor piercing as well. This has to be a bug or something, right? There's no way. How? Everybody has now those, and you have an extra laser rifle. You got that in mind, did you? Okay, so that's the Batman, Rust Batman. I'm not surprised. I mean, look at this. And these. Right. I mean, I'm not sure what's the right way to express my emotion right now. Confusion or gratitude? I don't know. A bit of all. I mean, everybody just earned things like Batman and armorpiercing, maybe. Armorpiercing. Okay. You know what? Yeah, alien blaster, by the way. Alien blaster. The 3 dogs suit as well. I mean, okay. Character 1, agility. You know what? Hold on to that for now. Oh, did I forget to give you something? That was nice. No, go to my vein. Yes, I'm not good. Now in the meantime, you can go there because we need power and we don't have that many people that can do it. These guys are really good at their jobs. To give them that. Yeah. And you know that I'm never gonna get over the fact that I just earned billions and billions of those special things. No way. No way. Okay, that spreads a little bit too fast. Not too fast, actually. Hey, you know what? You guys just put out the fire right about now. Now what's here? Alien blaster. Tuned as well. Side launcher? Is it something stupid as well? 20. Okay. And this is a burnmaster. Those are some serious weaponry. Hardened railway rifle. 3 dogs outfit. Now that's something that I'm really impressed about. Real. And armorpiercing minigun. I mean, I've never even seen a minigun before. But we do have lucky right there. I was going to say that you weren't lucky at all, but alright. That's a funny way of saying lucky. So this will rush, raise the light. No way happening. Level up to others. Maybe I can do that eventually. And then, can we rush this? Well, it depends on the view. If I can, lazy rifle. You know what? I'm gonna give that laser rifle. I keep trying to say laser rifle. Unbelievable. How the hell did that happen? Well, they didn't die as well this time because I checked up on them 2 hours later. I guess they just showed a little gratitude. So, can we rush a little bit more? And then let's. We just need 2 more rushes. So can we? Yes, we can. No, maybe. Continue like that. You can rusty liver action. Nice. Earn some money in the process. And there we go. 220 caps. So I might want to plan on the radio studio because you know what? We have the 3 now. Yeah. Weight room? Yeah, perhaps. Yeah. We do actually need that quite the bit. Come on. Let's build the weight room first. And then have guys training out there. At all times. So not you are going there. Train up and maybe we'll give you we'll get you to the power room. Yes indeed. So what else do we have? Level up dwellers, kill 23 creatures in the wasteland. You know what? I just made for these guys to come back because yeah. I mean they can survive out there for now. Especially with that thing. Okay, you know what? In that due time, you guys get busy. If you know what I mean. You know exactly. You know exactly what I mean. Finally someone's elements. Get on it. Surgeons and prisoner Israel. You doing with a bit of blue spots. Can I? That's happening. So, can we send more of our guys to the wasteland? No. No, we can't. Kill creatures, collect food, level up dwellers. Okay. So, I mean, these guys just take their time. You guys aren't family, right? I mean, you know what I mean, right? So, Maryland. Okay. Oh, these guys get to it first. Nice. I'll be taking them. Can I click on it? Thank you. And you are very nice. No, I don't care. I am taking you to the wasteland. Yes, I am. Get some weapon if you can. Because you know, we have some synthetic and radaways, so just do what I can, you know? Just do what you can. You. You may pay. You know exactly where you're going. And let's send you out to. Did we miss anything? Not. And you know what? Let's split this along as well. Yes, indeed. So, can we build something new? Storage room, sounds like treatments, and no. Well, you know what? Maybe I can build elevators down here and then, you know what? Maybe have a new building for just here and then have the radio studio in there, down below. It's a nice idea actually. So I am gonna have the skull in here. First of all, I send you to there. That comes. And my consumables. You know what? Be the merc. Be the merc, dude. Success. And you know what? Let's send you out. Because we have a lot of stimulants. And then we got this storage room, med bay, and that. I'm gonna first build an elevator because why not? Once more. And then I think that I'm gonna do a thing that I just mentioned. Listen me. Build the radio studio here and okay guys, I think this is it for the night. I've learned a lot of amazing new guns, and we'll see what we can do with them. But for right now, see you guys later.